sweat, ponytails, constant friction, taking multiple showers per day, let's be honest, gym and home workouts are brutal for your hair. In this video, I'm gonna share my health care routine and some products that really helped me fix my hair and my overall hair experience. For the products that I really liked and that turned out to work perfectly for me, I dropped the links to Amazon below in the description box, so check them out. I will also share some products that turn out to be not a good fit for me. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these products, if they worked for you or not, and what other must buy and must try things or procedures or hair care routines that you recommend. Let me know in the comments, and let's start. The first product that I was really shocked with is the wet brush. I know everybody is already aware of this. Turns out I was the last one to know, but my friend shared this piece of advice with me about the wet brush. A lot of us heard that you're not supposed to untangle your hair when it's wet, but this wet brush allows you to avoid breakage of the hair, and it has like official statistics and some proven scientifically proven facts that doesn't break your hair if you brush the wet hair. So I really loved it, and I use it in the shower when I put conditioner on or like a mask, and it helped me so much. Like, I used to struggle a lot and I was not able to untangle my hair after the shower, but thanks to the wet brush, it's so easy now. Let's continue with the things that turn out to be not a good fit for me. So I have always been obsessed with organics, and a lot of, like, probably majority of my makeup and hair treatment and everything else used to be organic. So I was looking for like a shampoo and conditioner. I tried this Avalon Organics and another brand, Andalou Naturals. I heard a lot of good things about them, and I used to use them in the past, but now it turned out maybe it was just the wrong choice, because these particular products are with tea tree oil, and I believe for this reason they turn out to be drying my scalp and also the hair, so I'm not able to use them at all. And for the Andalou Naturals, the problem is whenever I use the conditioner on my hair, even from mid-length to further length, still I get this oily feeling on the roots, and my hair looks kind of dirty even right after the shower, right after I actually washed it. So I stopped using them and I had to switch to some other products. After these experiments with organic products, I returned to Olaplex and I started using this hair perfector again. I really love it. It repairs the hair structure. I put it on my hair. You can put it from scalp to all your length before shampooing, so before actually washing your hair, but on the wet hair, and then you leave it for around 10 minutes. Depending on how ruined your hair, how damaged it is, you can use it a few times per week or once a week, and it really helps me. I noticed how this, like, it really looks like the structure of the hair changed after it. I really believe it works. And then another thing I started using again is the mask, hydration mask from Olaplex. After shampooing, I put the mask on, and it says you can leave it from 3 to 5 minutes, but a lot of times I leave it for longer, and I can put like a shower cap and a towel on and leave it for 10 minutes or more, and the hair is very soft and nice after it. Speaking of Olaplex, I really love the leave-in cream. It makes my hair so soft, and I put it on wet hair after I get out from the shower, and the smell is so nice, and it makes the styling easier. It can blow dry, and it also makes them really soft and good looking. So I love this, and it helps from the heat and from the humidity, and I believe it also helps for your hair not to get damaged further. So I really love this. And of course, the bonding oil, I have just a little bit left. It's my favorite, also from Olaplex. It makes your hair very smooth and shiny, and I'm a big fan of this oil. I don't think I can ever stop using it. So for such damaged, long hair like mine, what I love most about this oil is that it doesn't make you feel like oily all over. So you only put it also mid-length and lower. You don't put it on the scalp. And before I started using the wet brush, this oil was the only thing that helped me untangle my hair because it's very damaged. And my main problem is that I take a shower multiple times per day after I surf, and then I do some workout, and then I may work out more than once per day. So every time after this, I take a shower. So the minimum number of times that I wash my hair is once a day, which is also not ideal for long hair. Whenever I get a chance, I try to wash it at least like once in 2 days. But honestly, I don't remember when was the last time, like the last day that I could skip washing my hair. Coming back to the organic products, I have been experimenting a lot, and I tried many of them. I can say that I am a fan, like as big a fan of organic products as I used to be, but still I have faith in them, and I will share ones that I really loved and noticed a significant and dramatic difference in using them. So the mask that I told you from Olaplex, the alternative that I really loved is this omega-9 mask. It's completely plant-based, organic, and the ingredients are all supernatural and nice. I also leave it for longer than 10 minutes, and the hair end up very soft and nice. I tried multiple conditioners that organic, so completely plant-based, and none of them worked for my hair, and I also ended up having allergies. So it was very unfortunate for me, and the only one that actually worked and helped me untangle my hair, made it soft, and it felt nice, and in short term and also long term as well, which is very rare in my personal experience. Let me know if this works different for you. I would love to hear some other feedback different from mine about the organic product. So the only product that worked for me is this Inner Sense conditioner. I really love the mint scent. It's very, very nice. What I really love about these 3 products is that they don't leave the oily roots feelings. Even though I don't actually put them on my scalp or roots, still there is this weird aftertaste from other products. And the last one is K18. You need to leave it for 4 minutes, the conditioner. And I really want to try the mask, but my Amazon order of the mask got lost, so I never received it. I read so many good things about this, and for now I just use the Damage Shield conditioner. I leave it for 4 minutes or more, and it feels like there's a real change in the hair quality. Also, my eternal love is Tangle Teezer brush, which I use for always. I use only this brush. I have one with llamas. They are super cute, and I love how, like, for wet hair I use the wet brush, for dry hair I use Tangle Teezer, and I really love how gentle it untangles the hair. I love it. Another product to continue my organic obsession is Desert Essence jojoba oil. I didn't get a chance to try it, but it says it's the oil for hair, skin, and scalp. It won't probably be a fit for me for scalp. I'm not sure, but I'm looking forward to using it. Let me know if you have any experience, positive or negative, using jojoba oil on your hair or scalp. In the comments, share your feedback. Another thing I want to try is this massage thing for scalp. All the products that I mentioned earlier, they were more for like length of the hair, and if they are trying to fix the hair structure if it's already damaged, and then most of them were for the hair from mid-length and lower, so there were not a lot of products for your scalp. So I want to try something that I can use like a massage into scalp because I believe that's what is really helpful. Let me know of any treatments for the scalp that work for your hair and turn out to be efficient. I'm looking forward to trying out some new things, and I will be sharing more videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.